So this is the Insta360 Ace Pro. It's an awesome action camera that also has a 1-inch sensor. It's really great for outdoors here. We're looking at the Christmas lights and there's some incredible footage here. There's really cool accessories here that you can utilize, like the power pole, which extends up to like 3 feet, which gives you a cool first person view. You've got this flip up camera, as well as the ability to have some of these features like the microphone that can output to a wireless lav, which you're listening to, or you can get some of the quick feature mounts here on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and walk around the place here and show you the Christmas lights here on Temple Square in Salt Lake City, and show you what this action cam can do here at night in the dark. Let's do this. Andar in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Andar features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the camel tan, this is great here to be able to level up. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Andar sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. Okay, this is on the Horizon lock. This is actually pretty cool. It punches in a lot here when you have the Horizon lock. I've got a mic mic'd up here so you can hear it pretty good. What's really nice about the Insta360 is you've got the integration here with cool things like the Rode wireless mics and whatnot. So we're here just gonna have some fun. Christmas time.
Oh, that's a good.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I missed you guys. What's your name?
So close.
Antonio. How old are you?
11.
No way. 611. What's your name?
Theodore.
How old are you, Theodore?
9.
9. You know what 9 means?
Your security,
in,
right?
in German?
Spanish.
That's what it is. No.
It means
No.
in Germany.
What do you want for Christmas? Real quick.
VR.
Oh. We'll see what we can do. No promise. Come here.
Go to Santa.
Where does Santa live?
North Pole.
Yeah, not Japan or China.
That's right. That is
What do
right.
you want for Christmas? Oh, now that we name. And what's your name? How old are you?
13.
What do you want for Christmas? I'm gonna pick you out something special.
Thank you, Santa.
Something you do. Give me the bump.
Thank you, Santa.
Boom. Yeah.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Appreciate it, Santa.
That's what it's gonna look like.
It's crazy.
My boogers are falling.
No one can see your boogers. hopefully that was a good representation of what this is capable of. I'm really pleased at its ability to be able to shoot video at night. Granted, you do have to have some lighting around here that's ambient, but more or less, I think it's really impressive here to be able to shoot, to be able to get this stick out of the way, and to be able to do some action shots like you saw.